me what you gotta do. You gotta watch and see. It's Braylon. Hi everyone, this is Braylon, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to do my twist and curl. This style is also known as the twist and perm rod set. It's basically a twist style with some rollers on the end, and it is my favorite style ever. So before I get into showing you how to do it, I need you to press that subscribe button below. Yes, and become one of my honeybees. All right, now let's get started. The materials that you are going to need for today's tutorial is, you're going to need this Twist Defining Cream by As I Am, some coconut oil, leave-in conditioner, mousse, a denim brush, some gray perm rods, and last but not least, and some of y'all gonna be so mad at me for this product, but you're going to need some Eco Styling Gel. So I know a lot of y'all gonna be mad at me because y'all think that this product, Eco Styling Gel, should be canceled, but I need this for my twist out tutorial. And y'all did the same thing with Shea Moisture, and it just seems like I can never have anything that works for me. Y'all always want to get rid of the good products. So I know I'm being a little dramatic, just a tad, just a little bit. But I want to get into the story behind why it is canceled, because some of y'all might not know why it is being canceled. So first things first, there's this story going around about someone using the Eco Styling Gel products and all of their hair falling out. And they did like a discovery and they figured out it was because of the Eco Styling Gel, of why this happened to this person. Another reason why it's being canceled is there's a YouTuber and she opened her Eco Styling Gel one day and she said it was like a bad smell. And she still wanted her style, so you know, she put it in her head anyway. And she said like her eyes started watering up and getting irritated and all of that. And then another reason is that they say that it is a chemical in the Eco Styling Gel that could possibly cause cancer. Yes, cancerous. But then it was a scientist on Twitter and she was all like, if that chemical is mixed with this other chemical, then it will be cancerous, but it's not. So it's just a whole bunch going on. My stance on the Eco Styling Gel situation is basically that if I see something starting to go wrong with my Eco Styling Gel, say for instance, I start smelling some type of smell or I start to see something differently going on in my head, I'm going to quit it. But also while I'm going through that process, because you never know, it might start happening tomorrow, I'm going to start trying out new gels that does not have that particular product in it. It's called, let me go ahead and tell y'all what it's called so y'all don't be like, what is the product? What I'm getting, how you pronounce this chemical is trethanolamine. Trethanolamine. So in the meantime, between time, I'm going to be finding other gels that just don't have the ingredient in it at all, so I don't even have to worry about that. I'll have to, what if I'm one of the people who it just so-called happens to? So I'm going to be looking for other gels. A list of a few gels that I see that I might try out is Cantu Natural Mega Hold, As I Am Smoothie Gel, and I love As I Am, so I'm probably going to try theirs first. The Main Choice Styling Gel, I'm starting to love them too, so I'm gonna try that out. Shea Moisture on here, but that's being canceled, so. And Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, that's on here. I've seen those products at the store, but I never tried those. So I gave y'all the rundown on what's going on with Eco Styling Gel. I'm going to keep using mine until I find a different product that I can like switch it out with, but I'm not in a rush because Eco Styling Gel works for me. But anyways, let's get back to this twist and curl tutorial. I didn't mean to go off topic for too long, but let's get back into the style. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to start off with a middle part, and you want to also have your hair in different sections. I'm going to start off with this section on the side to show y'all what to do. So the key to success with this style is trying to make sure that all the pieces are like equally even when you're doing it. My hair is damped. I washed it 2 hours ago and I just been sitting around the house. So just to make sure that y'all are aware, there is a certain order that you should put the products on your hair. The first thing that you want to start off with is a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. After you put the leave-in conditioner on there, you will then put the oil. After you put the oil, you will then put in your twist defining cream. And after the twist defining cream, you will then put in the gel. After you put in all your products, you will then brush that piece to make sure that it is detangled and smooth. Then you will begin your twist process. You are only going to twist halfway because remember it's a twist and curl. So it's gonna be half twist and half curl. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it and then I will slow it down again so you can see the curling process. Okay, so I have it twisted halfway. So the only thing that you're going to apply now is you have to apply the mousse to this section. You don't want to put too much mousse because sometimes it causes my hair to flake up if there's too much. Once you have your mousse, you then need a gray perm rod. And so I usually pull it with my finger all the way to the end. And then you're going to roll it up until you get to the twist. And then you'll just close the perm rod. So nothing too much. You're going to do this all around your head. And my hair is very thick, so this takes about an hour and 30 minutes for me to do my whole head. Okay, so basically what you are doing during this process is you are using the LOC method. The only thing that you are adding onto that process is gel and then the mousse. So if y'all ever heard of that method, that's what I'm doing. Alright everyone, I'm back. It literally felt like it took me forever to do my whole head. I'll be back in the morning to let y'all see the results. Hey everyone, I'm back and I was well rested and I put on a little bit of Fenty Beauty for y'all. And now I'm ready to show y'all what my twist and curl looks like now that it has dried. One thing I do want to let y'all know is that even though I let my hair air dry all night, it still was not dry when I woke up and I had to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. The products that I'm going to be using to take down my twist and curl is a pick, a hairbrush, Mielle edge gel, and this argan oil. So sometimes my hair get frizzy around this area while I'm asleep. So basically, I'm going to take some gel and some Mielle Edge gel and put it all in the center. Now I'm ready to start taking my rollers out. What I do is I pour some argan oil on my hand, because I don't want to be holding the argan oil and trying to take these out at the same time. Go ahead and take all of the rollers out. What it looks like after you have taken your rollers out. So I'll take a little bit on my fingertips, and while I'm untwisting it, and all I do is you pull it, and this is what it looks like. So you're gonna go to the next one, put some oil on it, pull it. So now I have all of the twists unraveled, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pick, and now you just need to go in there with the pick. So everyone, that's how you do my twist and curl. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see next. Bye, y'all. Make sure that you have an unstoppable week. Bye. It's Braylon.